I would like to call on the first citizen of your famous city to address you. Cordia, Gurmish Falta, Mayor Dira, Martin Riley.
Victoran, Reverend Fathers, Senators, Mayor Donegal, ladies and gentlemen, we are all here today to officially open Fleadh Cheoil 2013 and celebrate the great honour bestowed on Derry by Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann in bringing Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann to the city. I am especially delighted to give a very warm Céad Míle Fáilte to our many visitors from every part of the country and further afield. President of Ireland, Michael O'Higgin, Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann President Vince George, the Director General Senator Lars O'Murphy, and members of the Ard Curla. I am delighted also that we have guests present here today representing all communities in our city. The historic decision by Comhaltas to award Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann to Derry has given us an opportunity to strengthen Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann as an organisation in the city. The Fleadh will also provide many other cultural, social and economic opportunities for all the people of the city, not least the opportunity to showcase all that is positive and good in Derry. The local organising committee of Comhaltas has worked hard to ensure that the Fleadh will be an all-inclusive event which will celebrate traditional Irish music culture and also respect the many other cultures within our society. I am pleased that it has already achieved widespread cross-community support. As the largest celebration of traditional Irish culture in the world, Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann is the biggest opportunity for Derry to instil a real sense of civic pride and open up an untapped tourist potential within our region. As Mayor of the city, I would like to thank Senator Lars O'Murphy for his leadership and unstinting support, and also the wider Comhaltas family for their generosity in bringing the Fleadh to the city. I also want to thank all of the staff of Derry City Council and the staff of the emergency services for their hard work in making this event possible. Finally, as the historic event finally begins, I am looking forward to meeting you all over the coming days and enjoying the wonderful music that will be played in our Guildhall and right throughout the city. Gura míle Beoga.
Míle Margaret Martin. Now I want to introduce you, indeed he needs no introduction in this particular city, but a man who has done more than his share to bring Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann